All right, everybody, we're at the range today. We're going to shoot some rounds on the CMMG MK9T. It's the firearm that I did the bar top review on a little bit earlier. You can watch that video, but get started here. We'll just go through 20 rounds or so, see what happens. Oh, we got the red. Oof, not even close. All right, there's one magazine. Can take a little walk and see how not good that I did. All right, looks like had quite a few shots high into the left, and this just goes to show I really need to work on my shooting. Probably at just over 50 yards right now. You see here we got two pretty distinct groups. Got this group here kind of dead center, but too many shots for my liking high into the left, so we're gonna have to work on that. Maybe we'll adjust the scope a little bit over to the right. Looks like everything's shooting just a little bit to the left. So go through and send another round, another magazine. Again, CMMG MK9T, 9mm AR-15. Oh man, that's loud. All right, looks like out that magazine. There you go. Just put this right here, show it open. Not too bad. Still a little bit to the left.